Alright guys, well we're back in Beverly Hills. We're taking a quick break from all the F-boy, crazy sideshow, whatever you want to call it. Quite a few people are getting upset that I'm calling them fuckboy shows, but hey man, it is what it is. So, we got a tip from a friend here that DJ Khaled might be at the Montage Hotel with a few cars. Let's take a gander. And what do we got? We got the Veyron, the 720S, and a Rolls Royce. Alright, so it is DJ Khaled. Let's park this sucker. Oh, someone just got pulled over right over there. Beverly Hills PD locking it down. You guys think I'm joking when I say the Beverly Hills police are out in force. And yes, they really truly are out in force. That is probably like the 6th cruiser that I've seen. Oh, there's a couple more right over here. G500 Cabriolet, nice. Right next to this amazing, I don't know if this is a wrap or not, M4. 4G autos, jeez. The 6x6 700, it's kind of dark here, I really do apologize. But we're pretty sure that it was DJ Khaled in the 720S. But the Veyron's probably downstairs, and there's a plethora or a sea of Escalades and GMC trucks and G-Wagons. Yup, that vent goes nowhere, guys. Same with the side grills right here. Can't really see it, but they are just little humps. There you go. It's all aesthetics, guys. But this thing is still pretty damn beast. Still makes me wonder, is this thing actually for sale, or is it like just a flex piece, or what's going on with this car? Luxury Auto Collection plate. Good color, and of course I misspoke, the Veyron is actually right there. Check this out, we got these seat covers still on. Got Bentley Range Rover, brand new Rolls Royce. Got the 60.4 Veyron, the 720S, of course the 6x6 in the back there. So, man, pretty stacked parking lot here, guys. Definitely some celebrities here for the All-Star weekend. Man Street Bentayga here. Let's check what the plates. Where is it from? It is from, oh, Qatar. Oh, got a newcomer here, ladies and gentlemen. Arab Clock might be making a comeback. KHK might be coming back. Don't quote me on it, but
dude, that's held on by wires.
Whoa! Missing the front, side got smashed up, maybe T-boned. Rims are ruined, it's got masking tape. And it got a bunch of junk in the trunk. Oh my goodness. I don't know, I think someone didn't get the memo, but Halloween is over, bro. Alright guys, we just we're chilling at the Peninsula Hotel, aka the hotel that kicked us out. We're taking photos of the E63 in that cool green / blue turquoise color. We got this massive Escalade shielding us from the valet guys who are right over there. Get a closer look at this roof CTR3 here. Pretty damn rare. 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds. Pretty cool. Mid-engine roof CTR3. Not bad on a weekday night, guys. All right, we got a crazy 356 right here. World Rally Tour. 6 races, 7 continents. Wow. Tasmania, South America, Paris, Safari Classic, and Antarctica. I told you guys. They kindly asked us to stop taking photos and videos. But thank you, Escalade, for shooting us. What do we have here? Oh, it's just a regular, nothing. Two cops. Check this out, guys. We got a real doozy here. Not the Range Rover, but we got 2 4x4s and a funky polka dot wrap. Let's actually U-turn here and have a little look-see. It's Bape. Oh, look. A bathing ape. Bape 4x4s, 2 of them. So just 5 minutes ago, we were looking at my friend's Insta story and he saw the same 4x4. And there you guys have it. Ain't that something? We got the US reflectors right over there. What do you guys think about this wrap? Yay or nay on a scale of 1 to 10? Always double down on your 4x4s.
Yeah, but see there. The Gorilla's in the actual camo.
Oh, okay, the Gorilla is in. Oh, there's the infamous Bape logo. So I wonder if these guys are actually working for Bape, or, I mean, they must
Or they're probably just
Because they have the address of the shop on Melrose on the back, so
yeah, I guess.
Oh, I guess business is good. Vape Nation, bro. What? Straight through the red, baby. What the fuck is going on tonight? All right, not too bad on a weekday, guys. We got the Rolls-Royce, 2 Rolls-Royce limousines, the money team bus on the other end. Let's flip a bitch and have a closer look here, guys. We're on a roll tonight. Bro, check out this truck. What is that? Holy smokes. All right, we're in business, guys. Oh, look at this. What? I feel like we're in Japan now. Except that truck looks a lot more ghetto than the ones that we see in Japan. But the 2 Rolls-Royce limousines, Platinum Motorsport, S2000, pissed off people, and we got the money team bus right up there. Check this out, we got the extended Rolls-Royce limo. There we go, emblazoned in gold, baby. The spirit of ecstasy. We saw this one quite a few months ago. It had the suspension that was broken. It's got new wheels, check that out. Now there's a white one. And they've just opened the doors with the silver Enzo and the black Carrera GT. Check that out. Now we're rolling. Black Carrera GT and the silver Enzo. Not a bad lineup, ladies and gentlemen. Not bad for a Thursday night. There you guys have it. The lineup at the 20-year anniversary of, I believe it's for Platinum Motorsports. Got the money team here in full force. Got the 2 Rolls-Royce limos. Looks like the whatever that one auto group has brought all their cars already down there. You got the money team bus. Not too shabby. And of course you got Stradman. The stock Stradman though. What's he doing here in Los Angeles, boy? Oh man, someone got nailed. All right, we got another Veyron rolling through. Check it out, we got a bunch of 4x4s and the money team bus. They're all bouncing right now. Oh, here's the other Veyron. Wait, look, there's more 4x4s. Holy smokes.
Oh, it's the 6x6.
Oh, sorry, the 6x6 and the 4x4. Dang. What a lineup. Oh, and another 4x4. Another 4x4. What? Looks like the party's over. Everyone's in town for the NBA All-Stars that's happening this weekend. They're going hard. Got the bus in the middle of the street on Sunset. NBA All-Star weekend, baby. That's the reason why Floyd's in town. And they're celebrating the 20th anniversary of Platinum tonight. Celebrity faces and names. You guys gotta let me know who's who in the crowd here. I literally don't know anybody. Got the bus ready to leave. They got the flash. Got the bouncers in the pickup truck. Check out the color on that G-Wagon though. Man, it's not bad. Another 4x4. Oh my goodness. Yeah. The whole squad's rolling out. Okay. Scratch that. My buddy just told me it is the man himself. Dude, that guy's tripping, dude. Yeah. Dude, check out this lifted ass truck, dude. What? Whoa. Alright, that is the end of today's video. We got the NBA All-Star weekend happening in the next couple of days. And there you guys have it. Don't know if Floyd Mayweather is still in there or he left early. I don't even know who got in the money team bus. So let me know in the comments below who they were, if they were anyone at all. What the fuck is that